Imagine having a digital clone that works 24/7, researching, creating content, managing your schedule, and growing your business while you sleep. What if I told you this isn't science fiction, but technology you can access right now? In just 6 minutes, I'll show you how to build an AI assistant that doesn't just respond to commands but takes initiative to accomplish your goals. Welcome to the future of productivity that's already here. Hey there, welcome to AI Mastery Hub, where we turn complex AI concepts into practical tools you can use today. I'm thrilled to have you here for this game-changing episode. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay ahead in the AI revolution. Today, we're diving into the world of AutoGPT and AI agents, the technology that's transforming how we work, create, and build businesses. So, what exactly are AutoGPT and AI agents? Think of them as your AI employees, not just assistants. Regular chatbots like ChatGPT wait for your instructions and respond to specific prompts. But AI agents are different. They're autonomous, proactive, and can handle entire workflows without constant supervision. Here's the key difference. Traditional AI responds to one prompt at a time. AI agents can plan, execute multiple steps, use various tools, and adjust their approach based on results. AutoGPT was one of the first popular open-source implementations of this concept. It works through a continuous loop of setting goals, breaking them into tasks, executing each task, evaluating results, and adjusting strategy. Today's AI agents have evolved even further, combining large language models for reasoning, memory systems to maintain context, tool integration to interact with real-world applications, and planning capabilities to achieve complex goals. What makes them revolutionary is their ability to chain thoughts together and operate autonomously while staying aligned with your intentions. Let's see an AI agent in action with a real example. I've set up this agent to help a content creator boost their TikTok presence. Watch as I give it this simple prompt. Create 5 viral TikTok ideas about productivity hacks, write scripts for each, design a posting schedule, and prepare hashtag strategies. Notice how different this is from a regular prompt. I'm not asking for a list of ideas. I'm assigning a multi-step project with specific deliverables. The agent is now researching current TikTok trends, analyzing viral productivity content, developing unique ideas based on this research, writing scripts optimized for TikTok's format, creating a posting schedule based on optimal engagement times, and selecting strategic hashtags for each post. All of this happening without further input from me. Let's check the results. In just minutes, we have 5 complete TikTok concepts, ready-to-use scripts, a strategic posting schedule, and tailored hashtag sets. This would have taken hours of research, writing, and planning to do manually. Ready to build your own AI agent? Let's look at some options. For developers, there are powerful frameworks like LangChain and Llama Index for building custom agents, AutoGPT for open-source experimentation, and Baby AGI for simpler, task-focused agents. Not a coder? No problem. User-friendly platforms like AgentGPT for no-code autonomous agents, Hugging Face's AutoTrain for custom AI training, and Fixie.ai for specialized business agents are available. Setting up your first agent is surprisingly straightforward. Here's how it works. 1. Define your agent's objective clearly. 2. Select the tools it needs access to. 3. Establish constraints and boundaries. 4. Create a memory system for context. 5. Test with increasingly complex tasks. The key is starting with well-defined specific tasks and gradually expanding your agent's capabilities as you learn what works best. So where do AI agents shine compared to regular prompts? AI agents excel at research projects requiring multiple sources, content creation pipelines from ideation to publication, competitive analysis across different platforms, customer service automation with complex workflows, and personal productivity systems that adapt to your habits. For example, a business owner could deploy an agent to continuously monitor competitors' pricing, analyze market trends, and recommend strategic adjustments, all without manual oversight. A content creator could use an agent to research topics, draft articles, create social media promotions, and track performance metrics in one integrated system. But let's be realistic about limitations. First, agents aren't perfect at reasoning yet. They can sometimes get stuck in loops or miss obvious solutions humans would see immediately. Second, they require clear boundaries. Without proper constraints, agents can waste resources on unnecessary tasks. Third, they still need human oversight for truly creative work and strategic decisions. According to recent studies, agentic AI is predicted to become a dominant force in business by 2025. Companies implementing autonomous agents are seeing productivity increases of up to 40% in certain workflows. The businesses gaining the most advantage aren't replacing humans. They're creating human AI teams where agents handle repetitive tasks while people focus on creative and strategic work. Here's how to get started today. 1. Identify one specific workflow you want to automate. 2. Map out the exact steps and decision points. 3. Start with a simple agent focused on just that task. 4. Gradually expand its capabilities as you learn. Remember, the goal isn't to build a perfect system overnight, but to start the journey of working with AI in a more powerful way. For beginners, I recommend starting with content research agents that can gather and organize information on topics important to your work or business. For those more experienced, try building agents that integrate with your existing tools and systems to automate workflows end-to-end. We're standing at the beginning of a revolution in how humans work with AI. The future belongs to those who learn to build and direct these digital teammates effectively. If you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe to AI Mastery Hub to stay updated for the AI era. Your journey to mastering autonomous AI is just beginning, and we'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Drop a comment with what you're planning to automate with AI agents, and I'll personally respond with tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next breakthrough.